Hello everyone, welcome back to Stack Over Chai, and today is day 13 of our 100 days interview question challenge. So let's go. Today's topic is lazy loading and eager loading in Angular. This is one of the most common and important interview questions for front-end or full-stack developers, so let's understand it with examples and differences. 1. Eager loading. Eager loading means that all the modules in your app are loaded as soon as the application starts. So, when the user opens your app, Angular downloads and initializes everything, even if the user never visits those pages. That means your app is fully ready, but the initial load time becomes slower. Now let's look at an example of eager loading. Here, both the home and card components are loaded immediately when the app starts, even before the user actually visits those routes. Best use case. Eager loading is best when your application is small or has only a few routes, because it keeps the app simple and ensures everything is ready right from the start. Lazy loading. Now comes the hero, lazy loading. Lazy loading means modules are loaded only when needed, for example, when a user navigates to that specific route. This improves performance and makes the app start much faster. Now let's look at an example of lazy loading. Here, the customers module will only load when the user visits customers. Until then, Angular doesn't download that module's code, saving load time. Best use case of lazy loading. When you have a large application with many modules or heavy components. It reduces the initial bundle size and improves performance. Now let's compare eager loading and lazy loading side by side. 1. When modules load, in eager loading, modules load right at the app startup. In lazy loading, modules load only when their route is actually visited. 2. Initial load time. Eager loading makes the initial load slower, while lazy loading keeps it faster since it loads modules only when required. 3. Memory usage. Eager loading uses more memory at the beginning, but lazy loading optimizes memory by loading modules on demand. 4. Best for. Eager loading works best for small applications, and lazy loading is perfect for large-scale apps with many routes or modules. 5. Implementation. Eager loading uses direct route loading, while lazy loading uses the load children syntax. So in short, lazy loading improves performance and reduces startup time, making it the smarter choice for big Angular applications. Why use eager loading? Because it's simple, all modules are available immediately. No need for extra configuration, and it works great for small or medium apps. Why use lazy loading? Because it's efficient, it reduces the initial load time, optimizes performance, and gives a smoother user experience. It's ideal for enterprise-level or large Angular projects with many routes. So in short, eager loading is simple but can slow down big apps. Lazy loading is smart and improves performance by loading only what's needed. That's why most real-world Angular applications use lazy loading. That's it for today. Follow for day 14, where we'll cover another important interview question. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Stack Over Chai. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.